English essay Quaid Azam. Nation have leaders. Likewise, Indian Muslims have a leader. The name of that personality is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. World know him Quaid Azam. He is the founder of Pakistan. He is called the father of nation. He was born in Karachi. Then he went to London for law education. He turned back India as a barrister. He started practice in Bombay. Then he started taking part in politics. He led the movement of Pakistan. Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. Quaid Azam became the first Governor General of Pakistan. He died in Karachi on 11th September 1948. His tomb is in Karachi. Unity, faith and discipline is Quaid's motto.